It is a fact of common knowledge that new technologies in general, and information and communication technologies in particular, are providing solutions which have been unattainable until now to both society as a whole and to the disabled and the elderly as specific groups. The Confident project has employed its effort in favor of these groups, developing an information environment to support the independent living of persons with severe disabilities, an environment able to provide them, their assistants, and relevant organizations with a comprehensive and adapted access to a number of personal, social, and operational assistance services. In order to certify all project results, the system has been validated in 3 different pilots located in Greece, Spain, and Northern Ireland. This video shows a sample of the trials carried out in the Spanish pilot. The Spanish pilot takes place in the Valencia region, in 3 different environments. A rehabilitation center for people with disabilities named Frater, belonging to the COCEMFE Association, private homes of people with disabilities, and a Spanish Red Cross elderly residence located in Castellón. The coordination center is located at the COCEMFE headquarters, which centralizes the management of the activities and hosts the Confident database. This database contains information related to their resources, profiles, and availability of assistance.
Buenas, hay que meter esto del currículum de un nuevo asistente, hay que cargarlo en el programa y darme la relación de servicios que se han prestado desde julio hasta ahora.
Muy bien.
¿Vale?
The Personal Assistance technical system allows the user to require assistance for their daily living activities, to access information services, and to alert professionals in case of emergencies and unforeseen situations. The PATS is composed of the TV-based component of the system, which is the main element for the user's communications with the assistants, is called Daily Living Manager. Use of the system is achieved by means of an ordinary remote control, including a set of arrow keys and an OK button. A TV screen is used as the display. The Daily Living Assistant is a wireless, wrist-worn system for continuous home monitoring of the user's vital physiological parameters. The DLA communicates with the infrastructure through a built-in FM transmitter. The environmental sensors automatically record home events that could add relevant information to the system's knowledge on the status of the user. The gateway unit is used to connect the DLM to the X10 network. Presence and smoke detectors have been integrated within the PATS in order to generate alarms in case of fire and provide information about the user's location in critical situations. 24-hour availability of the system is guaranteed by installing a DSL connection. The visual design of the Daily Living Manager screens required a clear structure different from the usual PC and Windows-like software application user interface design. A clearly emotional design is by no means stigmatizing, but strengthens a positive attitude towards the interaction with the system. In this case, a motor-impaired user is requesting a shopping service. When the service is requested, the system automatically launches the order to the designated professional assistant, who receives a message on her mobile phone. Navigating through the specific menu of the phone, a message appears showing the required assistance service, the person requesting the service, and the address, date and time of the required service.
llamado a un asistente, ¿no? Para la compra. ¿Tienes la lista? Vale.
The objective of the outdoor scenario is for the person with disabilities to maintain the continuity of assistance provided by both the DLM and the service provider when he goes outdoors. The technical assistant, a personal digital assistant incorporating a GPRS module for the communications with the rest of the Confident platform, allows the user to access the network of services regardless of his physical situation, even when moving within different environments. The other setting for the validation of Confident was the Red Cross elderly residence located in Castellón. The system was installed in a room where the elderly came to request the different services. The system was tested by 30 elderly people. In this scenario, a lady wants to request a door-to-door service to visit her sister who is living in a different residence. When the service is requested, the system launches the demand to the driver, who receives a message on his mobile phone. The last scenario is the request for emergency aid. The emergency might be generated by the person with disabilities or set off automatically by the system. In the case shown in the video, the user interacts with the terminal by pressing the button to generate an emergency call. This will make the DLM generate an emergency message which, combined with the information received from the environment sensors, is sent to the Emergency Coordination Center. When the alarm is received at the Emergency Coordination Center, the operator receives all information related to the emergency, name and address, the kind of emergency, and the user's location.
Avenida Cataluña, número 11, puerta 41. Última posición en el salón.
¿Tipo de Cruz Roja?
Adelante, Cruz Roja, correcto.
Bien, nos pasa un aviso en la Avenida Cataluña, número 11, puerta 41. ¿Recibido?
Recibido, enviamos sonido de Cataluña.
Recibido.
Finally, the required assistance is dispatched. This video demonstrates the results of the Confident project in 4 different scenarios, achieved thanks to the effort, hard work and collaboration of the consortium. The project has presented its results as a contribution to this European Year of People with Disabilities.